Today we're gonna be playing, gonna be doing a tutorial on Lifeboat and how to get the stuff that you get. Well, how to get the VIPs. So first, you're gonna wanna sign in. Then what you need to do is like do your email. Crap. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, you need to sign in. Then after you sign in or create an account, what you need to do? Ah, dang it! Stop. Won't stop. Okay, what is it? Okay, it's gonna bring you to this after you sign in. So what you're gonna do after this is go to the tab thingy up here, the lines right there, like right there. Okay. So then what you need to do is you press those. Then you're gonna see all of these. Got settings, sign out, help and about, upgrades, leaderboards, open servers, and status, which status just leads you back to that. Now hold on. Yeah, just leads you to that. So what you're gonna wanna do is go to upgrades, and it will have, hold on. It will have the VIPs for this stuff. And, so yeah. That was my quick tutorial on what to do on Lifeboat servers. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll see you